Hi guys, my name is Jennifer Farley and this is Photoshop Bootcamp. The content-aware fill in Photoshop works really quickly and it does a fantastic job removing objects from a photograph. It replaces them fairly convincingly with a fill that matches the rest of the photograph. So here's how we use it. This is a photo of, it's actually my husband, and normally I like having him in photographs, but for demonstration purposes, we're going to make a selection around him and then remove it using content aware fill. So I'm going to take the lasso tool and draw a loose selection around the object that we want to remove. Okay, all the way down. We want to get rid of the shadow as well. Now we need to leave a little bit of space all around the object so that Photoshop can look at the background and try and recreate it. Once the selection is made, we go to Edit, Fill, and from the Contents drop-down, we choose Content Aware. We can leave the other settings as they are and choose OK. And Photoshop does its work. I'm going to press Ctrl and D or Command and D on the Mac to get rid of the selection. And that's what we see. So it's not perfect, but it's pretty good for a quick removal of an object. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the Photoshop Bootcamp channel. Thanks a million. Bye.